Hey everyone, and welcome to SkillCareer. How can I build a successful career in digital marketing? The digital landscape is expanding rapidly, making this field not just promising, but essential for businesses across the globe. Whether you're a fresh graduate, looking for a career change, or simply seeking to upgrade your skill set, digital marketing offers a plethora of opportunities. To begin, it's crucial to understand that digital marketing is not a monolithic entity. It's a broad spectrum of specializations. You could find yourself immersed in the art of search engine optimization, SEO, meticulously crafting strategies to elevate website rankings on search engine results pages. This involves a deep dive into keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and technical SEO, demanding a blend of analytical and creative skills. Alternatively, you might be drawn to the fast-paced world of social media marketing, where you'll be responsible for building brand presence, engaging with audiences, and creating compelling content across various platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and emerging platforms. This requires not only creativity, but also a strong understanding of social media analytics, community management, and paid social media advertising. Content marketing is another vital area, focusing on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. This could involve writing blog posts, creating videos, designing infographics, producing podcasts, or developing any other form of media that provides value to your target audience. Email marketing, while seemingly traditional, remains a powerful tool for nurturing leads, building customer relationships, and driving conversions. A career in email marketing involves crafting engaging email campaigns, segmenting audiences, and analyzing email metrics to optimize performance. Pay-per-click, PPC. Advertising is another dynamic field, where you'll manage paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads, allowing businesses to reach their target audience quickly and efficiently. This requires a strong understanding of campaign management, keyword targeting, ad copywriting, and budget allocation. Data analytics forms the backbone of any successful digital marketing strategy. As a data analyst, you'll be responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data from various sources to measure campaign effectiveness, identify trends, and provide actionable insights. This demands proficiency in tools like Google Analytics and other data visualization platforms. Copywriting is the art of writing persuasive and compelling marketing copy for various digital channels, including websites, ads, emails, and social media. Strong copywriting skills are essential for grabbing attention, conveying messages effectively, and driving desired actions. Furthermore, as the digital world becomes increasingly visual, graphic design and visual communication skills are highly valued in digital marketing. The ability to create visually appealing and engaging content is crucial for capturing audience attention and reinforcing brand messaging. Video marketing has also exploded in popularity, with platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels becoming integral to many marketing strategies. Professionals in this area are involved in planning, producing, and editing video content that resonates with target audiences and achieves marketing objectives. With the proliferation of smartphones, mobile marketing has become indispensable. This specialization focuses on optimizing marketing efforts for mobile devices, including mobile-friendly websites, apps, SMS marketing, and location-based marketing. Marketing automation involves using software and technologies to automate repetitive marketing tasks, such as email marketing, social media posting, and lead nurturing. This allows marketers to streamline their workflows, improve efficiency, and personalize customer experiences. A foundational understanding of basic HTML, CSS can be incredibly beneficial, especially for those involved in website optimization, email marketing, or content creation. While you might not be a full-fledged web developer, knowing how to tweak code can give you more control over your digital assets. Beyond these specific areas, certain soft skills are paramount for success in digital marketing. Critical thinking is essential for analyzing complex situations, identifying problems, and developing effective solutions. Strong communication skills are vital for conveying ideas clearly, collaborating with team members, and presenting findings to clients. Creativity and innovation are crucial for developing unique and engaging campaigns that stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Adaptability and a growth mindset are necessary to keep pace with the ever-evolving digital world and embrace new technologies and strategies. Problem-solving skills are also key for overcoming challenges and finding creative solutions to marketing obstacles. Building a successful career in digital marketing requires a combination of education, experience, and continuous learning. While a bachelor's degree in marketing, communications, or a related field can provide a strong foundation, it's not always mandatory. Many digital marketers enter the field through alternative pathways, such as online courses, certifications, workshops, and self-taught learning. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Google Digital Garage, and HubSpot Academy offer a wealth of resources to acquire and enhance your digital marketing skills. Getting practical experience is invaluable. Internships, entry-level positions, freelance projects, and personal projects can provide you with the hands-on experience you need to develop your skills and build a portfolio. Networking is also crucial for career advancement. Attending industry events, connecting with other professionals on LinkedIn, and joining online communities can help you expand your network and learn about new opportunities. Building a professional portfolio is essential for showcasing your skills and accomplishments to potential employers or clients. This portfolio can include examples of your work, such as successful campaigns you've managed, content you've created, or websites you've optimized. Staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is paramount in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. Following industry blogs, podcasts, influencers, and attending conferences can help you stay ahead of the curve and adapt to new changes. Ultimately, a career in digital marketing is a dynamic and rewarding journey that offers ample opportunities for growth, creativity, and innovation. By acquiring the right skills, gaining practical experience, and staying committed to continuous learning, you can carve out a successful path in this exciting and ever-evolving field. Moreover, consider specializing in a niche within digital marketing to further enhance your career prospects. By developing deep expertise in a specific area, you can differentiate yourself from generalists and become a highly sought-after specialist. For example, you could specialize in e-commerce marketing, focusing on helping online businesses drive sales and conversions. Alternatively, you might choose to specialize in local SEO, helping brick-and-mortar businesses improve their online visibility and attract local customers. Other potential niches include mobile marketing, video marketing, or marketing analytics. Remember that the digital marketing landscape is not static. It's a dynamic and ever-changing field that requires continuous learning and adaptation. Therefore, make it a priority to stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices. Attend webinars, read industry publications, take online courses, and experiment with new strategies to expand your knowledge and skills. By doing so, you'll not only enhance your own career prospects, but also become a valuable asset to any organization you work for. Ultimately, a career in digital marketing is a dynamic and rewarding journey that offers ample opportunities for growth, creativity, and innovation. By acquiring the right skills, gaining practical experience, and staying committed to continuous learning, you can carve out a successful path in this exciting and ever-evolving field. The demand for skilled digital marketers continues to grow, making it an excellent career choice for those who are passionate about technology, creativity, and business. With dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt, you can achieve your career goals and thrive in the world of digital marketing. In this dynamic field, continuous learning is your compass. Embrace change, master new tools, and carve your own niche. Your passion, combined with the right skills, will pave the way for a rewarding and successful digital marketing career. Ultimately, a career in digital marketing is a dynamic and rewarding journey that offers ample opportunities for growth, creativity, and innovation. By acquiring the right skills, gaining practical experience, and staying committed to continuous learning, you can carve out a successful path in this exciting and ever-evolving field. The demand for skilled digital marketers continues to grow, making it an excellent career choice for those who are passionate about technology, creativity, and business. With dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt, you can achieve your career goals and thrive in the world of digital marketing.